Hello, calculus fans. All right, let's try to evaluate the integral of secant cubed x dx. We're going to split up the integrand and then integrate by parts. So we're going to split it up as integral of secant of x secant squared x dx. So we'll let u equal secant of x and dv equals secant squared x dx. This isn't really covered by the detail rule, but let's follow through with this and see how it works out. So if u is equal to secant of x, then du is secant x tangent x dx. And of course v is tangent x. That's doing an antiderivative of secant squared x dx. All right, so we're integrating by parts. So let's see what we get. We have uv. So here's uv. That shows up here. Minus the integral of v du. And so you see that here. Now let's clean up our integral there on the right side. Turns into a tangent squared secant x. So this just got cleaned up into this guy. And now we're going to use our alternate Pythagorean identity where tangent squared x can be rewritten as secant squared x minus 1. Now let's distribute, and it breaks things up into two integrals. You see we're distributing this secant x. Notice that the integral of secant cubed x dx is exactly the integral we started with. So we're going to recycle it. So let's write out everything that we have. We have the integral of secant cubed x dx is equal to secant x tangent x minus the integral of secant cubed x dx plus the integral of secant x dx. So since we're recycling, we're going to move this back to the left-hand side. So it should look like this. 2 times the integral of secant cubed x dx is equal to secant x tangent x plus the integral of secant x dx. Now we evaluate that integral. The integral of secant of x is log of absolute value of secant x plus tangent x plus c. And to get our final answer, all we need to do is divide by 2. And again, in the course of doing recycling, we don't really have to divide the constant by 2. It's an arbitrary constant, so it could have been anything. Now, this particular antiderivative, an antiderivative of secant cubed x, I think it comes up often enough that it's really worth memorizing this. You don't really want to have to work out the recycling on this every single time it comes up. And it will come up just often enough that you'll be happy to have it committed to memory. It's not that hard to memorize this one, so let's go ahead and put that on our list of things that we need to have. Okay, that's all for now.